In this video, we are going to show you how to clear your Zendesk cache. Now, to clear a cache, it's not really dependent on Zendesk itself. Rather, it is dependent on the browser that you are using. So most people still, I know a lot of you are not using Chrome anymore because of memory stuff, but most people who just do this on a clerical or as their day job, they pretty much use Chrome. So we are using Chrome right now. To clear your Chrome's cache, all you need to do is click on the three dots here on the upper right corner of your screen, like so. This pop-up will appear, and you want to click on settings, right? Underneath, click on settings. This will appear now. In settings, on your left-hand menu, you're gonna see privacy and security, so click on that. Under privacy and security, you want to click on data browsing, delete browsing data. And here you just need to tick the boxes that you want to delete. For the most part, you don't want to delete your browsing history, only the cookies and cache images and files, etc., etc. And then just click delete data. After that, you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.